Manufacturing a toy is only half of the battle. Getting it into a child's hands intact, on time, and exactly as expected is the part that will make or break your brand. Because ultimately, when parents are ordering a toy, there's not second chances. Birthdays, holidays, and special occasions only come once. And if you miss them, you don't just lose a sale, you can lose trust. That's why fulfillment matters so much, because these special occasions make up such a high percentage of orders. Now, before I get into that, my name's Brandon. I'm here on behalf of Fulfillrite, a 3PL that has helped thousands of online sellers ship smarter. There's more information about us down there in the description. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what toy fulfillment actually involves and how you can get it right from the start. Let's just go ahead and start with the obvious question, which is what is fulfillment? This is everything that happens after your toy has been ordered by someone. The order goes to the warehouse or to you if you're doing your own shipping, and then the items need to be picked, packed, labeled, and then shipped out to the customer. Ideally, tracking updates will go out to the customer as well, and if there are any returns, those also get processed as part of order fulfillment. And it sounds simple enough, but the thing with toys is that there are challenges that other products don't have. They tend to be fragile or oddly shaped, seasonal, and there's too many emotional moments attached to it that you wouldn't see in other product categories. And that all kind of combines to make your fulfillment strategy something that has to account for more than just speed. You also have to factor in damage in transit. Toys break and boxes get crushed, paint gets scratched, blister packs warp, all kinds of stuff happens. But when a kid opens a gift that doesn't work or if it looks damaged, it's just a ruined moment. Good fulfillment partners do everything in their power to avoid this by using the right kind of wrapping and the right size packaging, double boxing collectibles or electronics, and training staff on toy-specific packaging protocols, as well as looking for fragile items and flagging those for special handling. Another weird thing about shipping toys is that the order volume isn't the same year-round. You also have to account for seasonal spikes. Toys do not sell evenly throughout the year. They surge hugely around holidays and media drops. If your 3PL is not prepared to scale during Q4, or if a big influencer picks up on the toy, your operations might buckle, which could turn into delays or cancellations or chargebacks if you're really unlucky. Peak season is make or break, so you need a fulfillment center that is going to be able to handle that kind of volume without missing dates. And speaking of, you also need to consider delivery deadlines. You don't get to ship late when it's a birthday gift or a holiday pre-order or a launch week campaign, and you never know when it's going to be someone's birthday or something like that. So a fulfillment partner has to ship everything same day or next day, offer 2-day and express shipping options when it makes sense to do so, and be proactively communicative about delays or back orders. And also just make sure that labels are accurate and scannable. It's obvious when I say it this way, but because it's not flashy, this is the kind of thing that tends to fly under the radar unless something goes wrong. Now on that note, here's another thing that's not going to be top of mind unless there is a problem, and that's going to be inventory visibility. Toys tend to launch in waves, so you might be selling pre-orders or bundles, subscription boxes, multiple SKUs with overlapping demand, but if your system just can't track what's in stock, what's aging, what's already been allocated, what's ready to ship versus what's back ordered, you're going to have a tough time making business decisions without that kind of data. That's why fulfillment centers like us give people real-time dashboards so that they can always know what's on hand, what's running low, and what needs to be restocked before it becomes a customer issue. Now, even if you do everything perfectly, issues are still going to happen, so you've also got to factor in returns and damage control. Toys are emotionally charged. It's like I had said earlier. If something goes wrong, parents are already going to be frustrated. So a good 3PL will help you minimize returns by packing things correctly, but they'll also process returns quickly when they do happen. They'll figure out which SKUs are most likely to be damaged and make notes internally, and they'll spot issues before they spiral into reviews and churn. Not all toys are alike. Some 3PLs treat everything like a phone case. And for some categories of items, that's okay, but it's not for toys. This is why we handle plush and soft goods, stem kits and buildables, randomized bundles, multi-product kits with special inserts, as well as high-volume campaign rollouts when you need it. And we do this with transparent pricing and no hidden charges or anything like that. Now, if that sounds good to you, again, you can read more about us down there in the description. Toy fulfillment is not just about getting a box out the door. It's about protecting moment. Birthday, holiday, a first day of school surprise. Your customers expect perfect timing, perfect condition, and zero confusion when they open that box. And the right fulfillment partner makes that possible as much as possible. So if you're ready to put behind the chaos of messy fulfillment, we've got a few more videos to help you think through your whole process and feel prepared. So here's a few that I recommend next. What is a 3PL? Third-party logistics explained simply and clearly exactly what it sounds like. Can order fulfillment save you money? How to find the right fulfillment company, and toy manufacturing explained. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Don't forget to slap some postage on that bell so you can express ship new videos to you as soon as they're ready. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. We'll answer as many as we can. Thanks for watching.